Right now, your brain is generating rhythmic electrical activity. Even as you watch this, millions of neurons are interacting, producing coordinated patterns that can be measured. And when we record this activity using EEG, we don't just see noise. We see rhythms: delta, theta, alpha, beta, gamma, distinct patterns linked to sleep, memory, attention, and perception. But here's the fascinating question. Are these rhythms simply signatures of brain activity? Or could they be clues to the mechanisms that generate brain function itself? Can simple mathematical oscillators, systems described only by equations, reproduce synchronization, brainwaves, even complex neural dynamics? Simply put, can oscillators explain the brain? What if understanding the brain begins with understanding rhythm? Explore the fascinating world of neural oscillators in this micro course.